Whoa, man. Did you just turn your alarm clock off? What are you doing? You gotta get up for school.
No.
Dude, no. I'm not gonna stand for this. You gotta get up right now. Get up. There's a problem here.
What?
Your alarm clock sucks.
It's just an alarm clock.
It's not just an alarm clock, it's the worst one in the world. What are you doing?
It's Sony.
Get with the times. You need the Latifah.
What's Latifah?
It's named after Queen Latifah.
That one.
She's in Hairspray.
I
She's the best person in the world. What are you doing?
don't wanna.
You know what you should do?
What?
You should sing a song. Even better, you should sing to your alarm clock.
Why?
Because then you'll get up.
Don't think about it.
Yeah. Now get up. Fart. So, you got a sleeping person, right? There's an alarm over there, right? Now watch what happens when the alarm goes off. Such grace. I know.
D-I-N-O-S-A. You are a dinosaur. D-I-N-O-S-A. You are a dinosaur.
See that?
Yeah.
He just sang to the alarm clock, and sure enough, it shut off.
Amazing.
You see that? And he is awake now. How awake are you, sir?
Very awake, sir.
Very, very awake.
Very awake.
You see that? You see his tone? That's a very professional tone. He is ready for all kinds of stuff in the morning. And he is a parent, obviously. And
Look!
he is ready to
He has a child.
tend to the needs of the child. I mean, now he can breastfeed and give all the necessary requirements for his baby.
He is really prepared for the morning.
Yes, it is all thanks to the Latifah.
I think I might have to buy this.
I think so too. Now let's go back to your room, shall we?
Okay. My name is what? My name is who? My name is
Chicka. I think that wasn't good enough.
Slow ride.
Da 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 da.
Take it easy.
Dude, maybe clear your throat first.
No, 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 no.
You want to start singing on tune?
It's not hard.
In tune. Come on.
Holy crap. God damn it, why are you doing this?
Come on, you gotta wake up better.
Can you help me out, man?
Okay. We'll do a duet. Are you?
Duet?
Okay. You wanna sing the same song?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go.
Just a small town girl,
Sing it.
living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy. Yeah. Born and raised in South Detroit. Represent. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Wait. It stopped.
Dude. Whoa.
It stopped.
I'm awake. Are you awake?
I'm awake.
Dude. The clock works.
I'm fully awake.